I feel like I genuinely haven't filmed a video in like months. It's been a while. I feel like I've been in the trenches of some like intense projects lately and I just have no capacity for anything else. But I do have some boxes for you guys. 3 to be exact. So these are kind of pre-BreyerFest purchases. I was waiting for the rest of the BreyerFest stuff to arrive to open it all together, but I'm getting impatient. I don't know how long it's gonna be. We're about to leave on a trip, so I don't know that it's gonna happen. I just wanna open them because they're here. Hey everybody, it's DeeJayBe. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Daryn. This is DeeJayBe Studios, and in this video, we're going to do an unboxing. One of these is the BreyerFest celebration horse. The other 2 are purchases that I've made recently. So the rest of the BreyerFest stuff is gonna come in a separate video. I still don't have a shipping notice. It's been like nearly 2 weeks. I'm not sure if they're just gonna arrive. That's what some people have been saying. We're gonna check out the celebration horse in this video, and then in the other video, we will worry about the rest. Let's get into it. I don't know which one is which, so I'm just gonna start with this one and then we're gonna move down the pile. It's nicely wrapped, very nice. Can you see the silhouette? I can see it. Make your final guesses. I'm excited about this one. Ooh, yes. Oh, I love it. Wow, oh, he's so cute. Ugh, I love when Breyer does the little like specks of dust. It's like my favorite ever. So this is the Missouri Fox Trotter mold. This makes 3 that I have on this mold. I'm not a gaited horse person. I've been really studying horse gaits lately to like try and figure out the gaited horses gaits. It's been very interesting actually trying to understand how they move. But this is a Kathleen Moody sculpture and her sculpts are just so precious. And so this is one of them that I didn't know existed until I did. And I just feel like it's like that era of Breyer where the colors were just so nice. And this was one of them. I found it on eBay. I've been shopping on eBay a lot lately just because the shipping prices includes like the duty coming into Canada. So it doesn't end up costing me a whole bunch. It's like the price that I see is the price that the model comes. So there's something to be said about that. It's just such a pretty colorway. I am pleased with him. I like my Missouri Fox Trotters now for some reason. Okay, so this is the next little eBay find. This was actually one off of my wish list to add to my little vintage collection. So I'm excited about this one. Oh no, it's boxed precariously in here. Do you see that? There's a hoof. And this was packaged in between bags. He looks a little bit yellow. He's so yellow, what the heck? We need some sunshine. We need some sunshine time for sure. Oh, but he's cute. He's kind of derpy. He's so yellow, look at the comparison. Oh, he's cute though. So this is the Cantering Welsh Pony mold. This is one of the Breyer vintage molds. I do not own a model on this mold. This was from BreyerFest 2012 and it is called 6s and 7s. So it came in a matte glossy split. These are very, very hard to find. They just don't come up for sale. I don't really know why. I think there's a lot of collectors that are die hard for this mold, which I find so funny because it's kind of wonky and weird, but it is cute. The braids actually have a lot of detail for the time. I have my little like herd of vintage horses that are one model on those molds that I really like, and this was the addition to that. So those are my 2 like pre-BreyerFest horses, and this is my BreyerFest celebration horse. This is not a complete mystery to me because I did see the actual model in person at the Toronto event. Only the people at the event got to see it preemptively. So I'm actually excited about her. So I hope I got a nice one. I initially was gonna customize because I really want to customize a Fjord model. I had an Astrid for a long time that I was gonna sacrifice, but I was able to sell her for decent money. So I thought I'll just wait and get like an OF one somewhere along the line. That was my intention with this one. However, I feel like I'm gonna like her and I'm gonna wanna keep her because I don't have one on the mold. And Flinka, the real horse at BreyerFest, was actually really cute. Let's see. Such a cute little box. So cute. We're gonna open her up and check out her other side and make sure that she's good. I try so hard to keep my studio clean and then it just is always a disaster. Oh. She's like actually really cute, guys. I like Flinka. Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep her, I think. She's a really pretty shade. She's got a little bit of a shiny mark on her butt and her shoulder on this particular one, but she's actually painted quite nice. I wish that they put like just like a little bit of spray around the eyeballs, which I mean I could do myself, but I always find that they like miss that. I really like that shade. It's a really pretty color. That's my little BreyerFest celebration horse, and the BreyerFest haul is to come. I don't know when. I have to wait for like 2 things to come in the mail because I did order something separately, but it pertains to BreyerFest. So once both of those arrive, I will do the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this, and all of my links to my studio and everything you need to know is in the description below. Check me out on Patreon to get behind the scenes exclusive content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy collecting. Bye. You're not gonna believe what just happened. So I was doing some outside chores and I filmed this video like maybe an hour ago with all of these horses. Haven't filmed their turntables or anything, so we have all of them, the trio that we just opened. And my other BreyerFest thing and something I spontaneously ordered yesterday arrived today. So I'm expecting a few more things, but like the main BreyerFest thing just arrived, so I have no patience. I'm just gonna rip into it. I've been waiting a long time for my BreyerFest order and it hasn't arrived, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it in this video. And who knows, maybe editing Darynn will change things around and this isn't how I'm going to edit things, I don't know. But this is the box. This is a secondary box. So I don't really know how I want to edit this. It might be 2 parts. You might be seeing this in 2 parts. I'm not sure. If you have to wait another week or you have to find a different video, that's just how it goes sometimes.